Resolving connection timed out error when deploying from Eclipse. If you're encountering a connection timed out error while trying to deploy your application from Eclipse to Google App Engine, don't worry, you're not alone. This is a common issue that many developers face. Here's a guide to help you troubleshoot and resolve this error. Understanding the error. The error message "connection timed out" Connect indicates that your Eclipse IDE is unable to establish a connection with Google App Engine. This could be due to several reasons such as network issues, firewall settings, or incorrect configuration. Steps to resolve the error. Here's a step-by-step approach to identifying and fixing the issue. 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Sometimes, a weak or intermittent connection can cause deployment failures. 2. Configure firewall and antivirus settings. Firewall or antivirus software might be blocking the connection. Try disabling them temporarily to see if the deployment process goes through. If it works, you might need to add exceptions for Eclipse and Google App Engine. 3. Verify Google App Engine settings. Make sure that you have correctly configured the Google App Engine settings. Double-check your project's deployment settings and ensure that the App Engine SDK is correctly set up in Eclipse. 4. Increase connection timeout. Sometimes, the default timeout settings might not be adequate. You can try increasing the timeout duration in your deployment configuration. To do this, go to Window Preferences in Eclipse. Navigate to Google App Engine. Increase the connection timeout settings. 5. Update Eclipse and plugins. Make sure you are using the latest version of Eclipse and the Google App Engine plugin. Outdated software might have bugs or compatibility issues that cause connection problems. 6. Check network proxy settings. If you are behind a corporate firewall or using a proxy, you might need to configure the proxy settings in Eclipse. Go to Window Preferences, General Network Connections. Ensure that your proxy settings are correctly set up. Conclusion. Resolving a connection timed out error when deploying from Eclipse to Google App Engine involves checking your internet connection, configuring firewall and antivirus settings, verifying App Engine settings, increasing connection timeout, updating Eclipse and plugins, and checking network proxy settings. By carefully following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue, allowing you to deploy your application successfully. Happy coding!